Hello YouTube. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking in how we can stop autopay in Amazon Prime. So you're going to go to primevideo.com and you're going to go to the account and settings of your account. So I'm going to click on it. Now you will be greeted with this screen. On the screen, you have many options here. You have your payment settings, rentals or purchases, and on top you can see you have all these tabs for different types of settings that you may want to manage or you may want to change. But our job is to go to your account and look for Prime membership. And I'm going to click on edit on Amazon. Now you're going to be directed to your Amazon account. Now here, if you go on account and list, you will see a lot of options related to your account settings. You can go to Prime membership. Now on this screen, you're gonna have many options here on top. You're gonna go to manage membership tab and you're gonna click on it. Here you have two options. Either you want to end your membership or do you want yourself to be reminded before they renew your membership. So I'm gonna check, or you can check this box so you will be reminded before ending it. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe and turn on the notifications.